how to adjust the idle on a Kawasaki Vulcan 500 motorcycle. This is a 2000 model. Now, I bought this bike as a project, been sitting for some time, and I did a whole bunch of work to it. I got down to just the last little bit of nothing, and I needed to adjust the idle. So I looked all over the internet, you know, for a quick little instructional on how to adjust the idle, and all I found was crap. I mean, I wasted a whole bunch of time looking, just grasping at nothing, and it was ridiculous. So I decided to make this quick little video for anybody else that's looking. I had my bike running real good after sitting since 2012. I did a lot of work, got it running real good. And you know what? A couple things, I got to replace this turn signal, and I had to adjust the idle. And I couldn't find anything on the internet, you know, but frustration. So I just got in there and figured it out. And it's so simple, I don't even need a tool. Look at this little screw right here. See this that little thumb screw was out of adjustment. My bike would not idle. If I let off the gas, it would die. And I'm gonna tell you the secret. I had to turn it in. I had to turn it clockwise by hand. It's a little hand thumb screw. I just turned it in clockwise until the bike would idle by itself. That's it, and that's all. So if your bike is not idling and you need to adjust it a bit, there you go. Subscribe for updates. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.